So today I'm reviewing the Littlest Pet Shop, and let's just open it and show you guys what's inside. This is how the packaging looks. It's like a little campfire site. But here are all the little pet shops. So if your children love collecting these, when I was younger, I did love collecting all the little ones, but I like they change all the time, and they release new things always. And like this one has like little purses and accessories. And here's a little fishy if you can see it. This is so cute, especially um if your child likes collecting Little's Pet Shop or other similar stuff. And especially if they have like the play sets and other accessories, it'll be something that they'll enjoy playing with. Even if they don't, like they could still use it with other dolls that they have. So I do recommend this for them.